Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Honda BR-V, a compact SUV that's quietly building a strong reputation across global markets. Honda has once again proven that practicality and style can go hand in hand, and the new BR-V is here to back that up. At first glance, the 2026 BR-V carries a bold and rugged appearance. Honda has refined its design language, giving this SUV a more mature and confident stance. The front grille is now wider, flanked by sleeker LED headlights that blend seamlessly into the lines of the body. The sculpted sides and sharp character lines add a sense of motion, even when the car is standing still. It's a design that manages to look both urban-ready and adventure-capable. Step inside, and the BR-V greets you with a cabin that feels far more upscale than you'd expect in its class. Honda has focused on ergonomics and simplicity, with a well-laid-out dashboard, soft-touch materials, and an intuitive infotainment system. The 7-inch or optional 9-inch touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to stay connected on the go. The seats are supportive, and there's ample room in all 3 rows, which is impressive for a compact SUV. Whether you're carpooling or going on a road trip, the BR-V ensures a comfortable ride for everyone. Under the hood, the 2026 BR-V continues with a 1.5-liter IVTEC engine, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a CVT, depending on the market. It delivers a smooth and efficient drive, offering around 121 horsepower. While it won't blow anyone away in terms of acceleration, it's responsive enough for city driving and confident on the highway. Honda's focus here is on reliability and fuel economy, and the BR-V delivers on both fronts. One of the standout features of the new BR-V is Honda Sensing, the brand's suite of advanced safety technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features bring a level of safety and driver assistance that's often reserved for more expensive vehicles, making the BR-V a strong contender in its category. In terms of practicality, the BR-V shines with its flexible seating configurations and decent cargo space. The third row folds flat for additional storage, while the second row slides and reclines for added comfort. Honda has clearly prioritized family friendliness and daily usability in the design of this SUV. So, who is the 2026 Honda BR-V for? It's for families looking for a versatile SUV without breaking the bank. It's for urban drivers who want the flexibility of 3 rows but don't want to drive a full-size SUV. And it's for anyone who values Honda's reputation for durability, efficiency, and thoughtful engineering. The 2026 BR-V doesn't try to be flashy or overly sporty. Instead, it plays to its strengths, delivering a well-rounded package that makes sense for a lot of drivers. And that's exactly what makes it a legend in the making. Thanks for tuning into Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews and automotive stories. See you in the next one.